has posted its Q2 FY21 numbers and they are largely in line with our expectations. You could say they are in line with our expectations, and revenue was slightly below. We are expecting around 3,527 crores. It came in at 3,419 crores. So slightly below what we were expecting, but you could say they are in line overall. It's not a major difference that we are seeing over there. Overall, the revenues have grown by 12% on a year-on-year basis. So the company has continued to manage to grow in a double-digit growth. While the profits of the company are in line with what our expectation was, the profits have come in at 495 crores and they've grown by 23% on a year-on-year basis. Overall, if you go to see margins, what a nice expansion, 370 basis point expansion in terms of margins. Margins are standing at 19.8% versus 16.1% on a year-on-year basis. Now, the company does not give a volume growth number, but the volume growth number could be inferred at around 10%, around 10 to 11% is what we could expect is in terms of volume numbers when we see the overall numbers of the company. So the volume growth is around 10 to 11%. Now, overall, obviously the continued benefit of in-home consumption is surely seen for Britannia, but it is at a decreased rate and decreased magnitude of what we were seeing in Q1, where people were literally, going to the stores and just picking up every biscuit packet we had and storing much more the higher biscuits and everything due to the lockdown. Now that is obviously not there. Things are normalizing. Out of home consumption is there, so obviously the demand for these products is a bit lower than what it was in Q1 FY21, but still much higher than what they were at pre-COVID levels. Still good levels for the demand over there for these products. Now overall, the company has said that all the adjacent businesses have delivered a very profitable, healthy growth. So adjacent businesses include cakes and rusk, etc. These are the brands which are included in Britannia's adjacent business. Overall, obviously strong growth is continued for biscuits, dairy products as well. Good growth is continued over there, but at a reduced magnitude compared to Q1, like I mentioned before. Now margins, what is aiding the margins? 370 basis point expansion if you go to see. So now the efficiency measures which the company had taken has led to the gains and improvement in the margins of the company. Now these efficiency measures are the supply chain efficiency, cost efficiency measures, any distribution efficiency measures that the company has taken in the previous quarter. That is surely we are seeing those benefits coming in, and margins are surely seeing a good growth. Now overall, the commentary wise also they have said that in raw material price inflation, where they did see a moderate inflation, now they expect that price to become stable going forward. While in terms of overall the efficiency, like I mentioned, that is efficiency measures have aided the company. Also, they have inched closer to the advertising and promotion spends as things are normalizing. So that is showing that the advertising and promotion spends are also reaching closer to normalcy levels, and they're confident of performing well even in the tough times going ahead. So all in all, a decent set of numbers, a good set of numbers from Britannia, and we're going to keep an eye out tomorrow as well as going forward how the stock actually performs and trade now.